everyone, welcome to my channel, and if you're new to my channel then this is Rimi. Today I'll be making a video based on a question that was raised by one of my viewers on my channel, and I just wanted to tell you guys how much I love receiving comments from you guys. It gives me so much motivation to just keep on going and making videos. It helps me make my videos better. So thank you so much for stopping by my channel and leaving all those comments, all those kind and positive comments. I just wanted to thank you guys. So as you all know from my last video that I just got my lash extensions done. I wore eyeliner in that look. Usually wear eyeliner all the time. That's like one of my favorite products. Beside eyebrows, that's like one of my must-haves in my makeup routine. But on that video, somebody left a comment saying that usually it's really hard doing eyeliner with eyelash extensions. So how did I do my eyeliner? Because I did my eyeliner off camera in that video. So here I am to show you guys how I do my eyeliner with my lash extensions. By no means I'm an expert, and I have to agree that it is very difficult to do eyeliner with lash extensions because they're curling up, they're extra long than your usual lashes, so it is a little bit difficult. The lashes get in your way, but I'll just show you guys my process of what I do to get my wing eyeliner on, because that's what usually I do. So let's get into the video and go through the process together, I guess. So the eyeliner that I like to use is this L'Oreal Infalible, the super slim liquid eyeliner. This is my all-time favorite. You have seen in my videos I use this liner over and over, and I keep reaching for it. I did try a couple other eyeliners and I just keep going back to it. This just works really well for me. So I'll zoom you guys in a little bit more so you guys have a better view of what I'm doing on my eyes. So here's my lash extension. It's been a little over a week and they're still holding pretty good. So here's the eyeliner tip, as you can see. So I have this mirror in front of me, and I usually like to keep the mirror a little lower than where you sit so that I look down versus looking up, so that the lashes don't get in the way as much. Typically, I like to start from the inner corner of my eye. It helps a little to draw the line. So I start in the inner corner, and then I just do a little. I'm gonna go back and fix it. I usually try to place my eyeliner right behind my lashes, and then I just start drawing. This way I get better control. Sometimes I would close my eyes as well, that helps. I also like to put the tip of the liner, kind of like lay it down on my eye and just press it and pull it. This way I have better control over the tip, and I have noticed that I get a smoother line as well. To make my wing sharper, sometimes I'll just put a finger right here. I'm not really dragging it too much, just putting it right there helps a little. So here you go. For the sake of this video, I did a very dramatic winged eyeliner today. I usually don't go for this dramatic on everyday basis. Yeah, so basically the technique is same. It just depends on how much of a wing you want to do. The main thing that I follow to do my eyeliner is kind of just placing my eyeliner behind my lashes before I even start working, and then just laying the filter flat and just dragging it a little by little to create my wing. When I'm creating the wing, it's not as hard because I don't have much lashes on the corners, so I can actually draw how I usually do. It's just the middle part is a little bit more difficult because even the inner corner, it's not as hard. So that's what I did. I'm gonna finish up the other eye and I'll come back and just give you guys an overview of what I did. So I went ahead and finished my other eye. So here's the finished look. I did a little bit more dramatic eyeliner look today for the sake of the video. I am not an expert, but these are the techniques that works for me. Of course, mistakes happen with eyeliner, even with eyelash extension or without. Applying it every day makes it much easier over time. A couple techniques that I have seen that worked for me, I just wanted to share with you guys that how I apply my liquid liner with my lash extensions. So hopefully this video helped you guys and give you guys some ideas and some tips. And if you do make any mistakes, always you have concealer, you have foundation, you also have makeup remover to go back and fix a couple things. And it's never fun and easy to go fix those things, but those are options as well. And let me know if you tried any of this technique or tricks with lash extension. I hope you guys liked this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot to me. If you haven't watched any of my previous videos, then I'll leave some of the links down around somewhere, so make sure to click on that and watch those videos. Thank you for stopping by. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.